Working with lists and larger groups of components is a very nice way to quickly create a screen that looks very good. But how do you make sure that they are all aligned in the same way, especially if you have a list with more components in a vertical row? So let's have a look at how you can quickly do that. So let's just imagine that we've positioned these items in a sort of vertical list, but they're all not exactly the same aligned. So we're going to click and hold shift and then select all the different entries. And when you move down into the selection, you will see there is a blue button appearing there. That is called the tidy up button. Now it's for a list that is vertically aligned, but it might also appear as a 9-dot sort of button that is for grids. For now, let's focus on the lists. So as soon as we click this, you will see that the spaces between this will be aligned so that they're all the same. Only the horizontal alignment is not yet similar. So for that, we just click the center horizontal align, and now we have it horizontally centered. Now, if you hover this group selection, you'll see that there are some lines appearing here. As soon as you hover those, there is a dimension shown, and that is the dimension that is used for all the spacing between these elements. So we can quickly say, okay, it has to be 20 or, for example, 15. And if we want to, for example, say, oh, this recipe should be here, actually, we can just click this pink circle and drop it right here. And that means you can rearrange your entire list very easily and very fast.